Wow, different colors, right? I love the colors. What color do you like? Color? You have a blue one?
Look how much I have.
Can I see?
I have colors.
I love.
Look at all these colors.
These are jewels. Wow. Can I touch it?
A marble, another marble.
What this one? Did you try this, Haley?
Marble. Yeah, marble. Marble.
Oh wow. Woohoo, I love that marble. Did you try to get water? See? Get some water. You know what? I'm going to add something that you like. You think? Okay, let me see. What's coming up? What do you call that one? Huh? Bubbles? Is there a bubbles? I didn't see any bubbles. What is this? What are you holding right now? What are you touching? Amy, what are you touching right now? Yeah. Marbles. I have this. You know what? I love to squeeze the water here. See? Can you try this? Squish, 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 squish. Squirt. You know what? I'm gonna add something. You wanna play with something else? Some more? I will add it in the water. Okay? Hang on. Let me get it. Let me get it.
You have to clean them up.
Sure.
Throw them in water.
I'm sure you would like this. Spongy. Okay. Does everyone else spongy? And I have this too. See? Wow. And not only that, I have this and see water. Water. Yeah. This water. And you can see.
A marble.
There are more.
Oh,
Who wants the scoopers? Scoop, scoop, scoop. I have this too. Wow. You can get some water. And another one. A different shape. And this one. Amy. Wow. How fun is that? Ooh, there you go. And what about this one? Wow. That one. What do you do? When you squish it. Oh, Haley. Haley. Okay, remember to ask, okay? Please don't just grab it. You have to ask for fun. And you know what? I'm gonna get more water, okay? I'll add more water. How about that? Right? I'll add more water. Just a second. I'm going to get some water. Waiting, waiting. Wait for me. I'll give you a little bit more water, okay? More water. There you go.
Another marble.
Wow, another marbles. Yeah, here we go. Water. I'm gonna give you some to Haley. Over there. Wow, there you go. That's a lot of water now. Okay. Can I also? I want to use this one. What is this? Haley, you need some water.
I have a sparkly one. Sparkly.
Where's the sparkly?
Right here.
Can I see the sparkly, please? Wow. Isn't that a marbles? Oh, I love the color. Did you try this, my friend? See? You can just squish and then squirt. Squish. Squirt. There you go. Squish and squirt.
There's only yours.
Squish and squirt. Wow. What about the sponge? Emily, did you try to touch this?
Yeah.
Try this? Yeah? And Emily, another Emily. Remember, two Emilys. Huh? You have to hold and then it's really hard. What comes out when you squish it?
Water.
What comes out? Water. The water. Wow. Look at that. I like that. See? And that one. And you can squirt it.
Oh.
You can squirt it, my friend. Wow. Oh, look at that marbles. That's a lot of marbles, right? Yeah. That's a lot. You just harvest all the marbles? You got all the marbles?
Yeah, cool.
Wow. You know what? I'm going to give you water.
No.
I'm going to give you water. Ooh. water? I'm gonna give you 1 scoop. How many scoop do you want? 1 more? 2 scoop. Here, see if you can use this one. This is 1/4 cup. I'm gonna give you. Mm-hmm. 1. Do you want more? Emily, where's your cup? 2. Whoa. Oh, you can do that. I like that, Amy. I will try that too. Hang on, let me try. See? Emily, I'm gonna get it. 1. Uh-oh, I cannot do this very well.
You have
Show
to
me. What did you do? How did you do it?
put
Yeah.
it in the water.
Okay, then squish. And then squish it out. Yeah. Who does not have one? You want to get you one? Emily, do you need one?
I don't have one.
Squeeze. And, oh, there you go. Right there. 1.
Good afternoon, Miss
And then
Amy.
2.
Good afternoon, Miss Amy.
Oh, that's so nice of you.
I
Good afternoon, Miss Aya. Who wants water? Emily, let's make some ice. Let's put it in the freezer. What do you think? See? If I put you 1, 2, 3. How many cubes do you have? Count cubes.
Look at me.
Wow,
I
that's a
gave Tyler
lot.
some. I gave Tyler some.
Wow. I like this. Wow, what's yours?
Triangle.
Triangle. I want some more and I can put this in the freezer. You can make it in the freezer. Whoa! Wow. Can you put it in the freezer? Yeah. But you know what? This one has our germs. There are germs in our water because I cannot use it to put it in the freezer, right? I can get the clean water to put it in the freezer. What do you think? Right? Yeah. Who wants more water? More water. Yeah. There
You
we
want the
go.
side to be green or yellow?
I'm gonna give you more water. 1 scoop.
Side to be white or
Who wants another scoop?
blue?
1 more water. What's with Emily? 1 more water. Yeah. You don't need water? Oh, I want. Oh, you know what? I want this. See? Squish it, squish it. You know what? I'm gonna. You want a big bucket? Let's try to squish the water from this big bucket. What about this? See? Who will help me? By using the sponge, okay? Here, squish the water and let's see how much water we can get. 1, okay? Who does not have a sponge? I have more sponge here. See? Emily, do you need to have one? One too?
I made one.
Yeah, but my other Emily, she needs one, right? There, let's squeeze. Squeeze. 1. And then here. 2. Let's see who can fill up this water pitcher. Yeah, water bucket first. 2. Oh my god, I need to squeeze really hard. Squeeze. 2. There you go. And squeeze more.
You got double arm.
Oh, sorry. My gosh, Tyler, so ready. Look at him. Oh, okay, Tyler, watch out. You don't want to wet. Watch your friend. Okay, ready? More. Put more. Emily, can you help me? Help, let's see. Tyler, and oh, we're getting all the water. Use the sponge, remember? Sponge. Using the sponge. Using the sponge. This. And this more. Here you go. And this more. 1,
No! Nobody's helping.
2.
I'm not going to
Oh, almost my friend. It's getting there. It's getting there. And that one. Oh my, thank you, Emily. Emily Robinson. Is your last name Robinson?